Hello and welcome to Tech. I am Mohammad Adnan, and in this video we are going to discuss about how to get the top customers by area, region or country, or a top student in each subject. It's a real world case and solution in Power BI. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's get started. First of all, we'll walk through about how to get the top customer in each country. So here's the data which we have in our record. That is the country and these are the customers and these are the sales in millions. I have sorted by country and the sales in million. If you look at the data here, in India there are 3 customers are there. Out of that, the 56 million is by Rishi, and we got this value Rishi here. And in UAE it is Bill, so it is Bill here, and in USA it is Warren, it is 81. And if I sort this value by name, so for example here country and name, this value is not going to change because we have written some DAX calculation here. Let's have a look at those. Two things you need to consider. The first of all, you need to get the maximum value of it, and then you can get the top value from that. So I have written two DAX columns, not DAX measures. So I have taken the maximum value column here. Here I am declaring a variable to return the value. I am using this calculate DAX function, and inside to that I am taking the maximum value of this sales column from the info table. This is the one, and I'm applying a filter here, that is all except the info column. I'm getting all the value from the info table, and then I'm applying the filter of except the country column, because we are taking the maximum value of this info table by country. I have made a video about the all except in Power BI. If you haven't seen that, just click on the link given on top of your screen. Now coming back to this one, by doing this we got this information about the country here and then the maximum value. So in India this is the one, UAE 75, USA 81. And the next challenge is we have to find out the which customer has this value. In order to do that, we have to write one more DAX column and it's the top name. For this I am used the lookup value. I am taking this value from the same table. I am searching the value from the same table as well. Lookup value, this result column name, I am taking the value of info name. I need the name of the customer, and then comma the search column name. I am searching the sales column from that table, comma the value which I am getting it from the max value DAX calculation column which we have created just before. I am taking that value for search value. So by doing this value is going to search on this column, the maximum value C column, to search on the sales column. If we got this value, then it will take the value from the name column. Finally, we got the result that the 56 in India country has the top name of Rishi, and in UAE we got the top name of Bill, and in USA it is Warren. So this is one part. So how we can get the top customers from the sales by country. The same logic applies to the students. Let's have a look at that. This is student table and these are the subjects they have, and these are the students here, and we want to find out which student has the highest mark by each subject. The same way we had to create two DAX columns, and one is I have written here maximum marks column. Same calculate function, I am taking the maximum value from the marks column of this table, and then all except from the student result table except the subjects, because we want to go it by subject, right? So by each subject we got the highest value. If you look at this value here, in geography it is 99, and in language it is 82. Okay, language 1. In language 2 it is 55. Yeah, 55. In math it is 98, and in science it is 59. Yeah, but we don't know which student has this highest mark. In order to find out that, we have to write the same VLOOKUP DAX calculation. Here I'm going to the result column, I need the student name, and I'm going to search the column of the student and then taking the value from this max marks DAX calculation column. By doing that we got this value, that is the 99 marks we got by Mike, 99 is by Mike, and 82 in language 1 is by Louis. 82 by language 1 is Lou, and language 2 it is also Mike. Language 2 it is also Mike, and in 98 in math it is Sam. Yeah, correct. And in science it is also Sam. So this is how we can able to get their top student by each subject. I hope this is going to be a useful concept for you in your real world application. If you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. But make sure you turn on the notification on your devices. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.